Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat Irish sea moss. First, thoroughly rinse your raw sea moss under cool, running water to remove any ocean debris. Next, place the clean sea moss in a bowl and cover it with fresh water. Let it soak for about 4 to 12 hours, or until it has expanded significantly and become soft. Remember to change the water at least once during this soaking period for best results. Now, let's turn that rehydrated sea moss into a versatile gel. Transfer the soaked sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add just enough fresh water to cover the sea moss, usually about 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of soaked sea moss. Blend for 1 to 2 minutes until you achieve a smooth, creamy gel consistency. Pour your fresh gel into an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for up to 2 or 3 weeks. The beauty of sea moss gel is its versatility. You can easily incorporate 1 or 2 tablespoons into your daily routine. Blend it into your morning smoothie for an extra nutritional kick, or stir it into your favorite hot or cold beverages like tea or juice. It also works wonderfully as a natural thickener in soups, stews, and sauces. Some even use it topically as a hydrating face mask for about 20 minutes. When starting with sea moss, it's best to begin with a small amount, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, and observe how your body responds. Irish sea moss is packed with 92 of the 102 essential minerals your body needs, supporting everything from digestion to immunity and even promoting healthy skin. Always listen to your body, and if you have any underlying health conditions, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your diet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.